Dr. DeCicco, in your testimony, you mentioned that federally funded research and development should be pre-competitive. What does that mean, and how would we prioritize this kind of R&D in the future?
Well, I think pre-competitive, speaks to some of the very issues where we have some, disagreements here. Pre-competitive really refers to the very basic research, again, some of the biochemistry, molecular biology, genetic engineering, things like that, that provide new knowledge that can be used by industry to produce new products, produce better products, and all of the above. But when you get into trying to do something to make a specific product, where the government is going to try to make a fuel, that is right there in the competitive realm. The downstream industries, downstream petroleum industry is a very competitive industry in terms of the technologies. They're always looking for ways to make fuel molecules that meet the standards, high performance, at lower cost. So I do not think actual fuel synthesis is necessary in this for R&D.
Thank you. Mr. Loris, policymakers have, I guess, made the argument that subsidizing biofuel production reduce the dependence on foreign energy sources. Do you agree or disagree?
Yes, but marginally. I mean, again, as I mentioned in my oral remarks, the U.S. biofuels market represents only 5% of the entire transportation fuels market. We've seen a lot of penetration of natural gas vehicles. So if you're going to mandate the production of increased and offer more biofuels, that's going to, in some senses, reduce our dependence on oil and foreign oil, but it's a drop in the bucket compared to how much we use.
So the yield on the return on investment's not there, in your opinion?
Not for the cost that we're paying, certainly not.
Thank you. I yield, Mr. Chairman.